Okay, so here we have a division example here. From our discussion just before, we know that that expression, and both of these expressions cannot be 0, right? Because something goes wrong then. It becomes undefined. From the fact that x plus 5 cannot be 0, we get the condition that x cannot be negative 5. From the condition that x minus 1 cannot be 0, we get x cannot be 1. And from this, x plus 5 and x minus 3 cannot be 0. You get x cannot be negative 5 and at the same and 3. Now look, we get 1, 2, 3 restrictions, 3 conditions. But if you combine them, you can see that this has been overlapped. It's been repeated. So your final answer, you have to state it as x cannot be negative 5, 1, and 3 only. You don't have to write negative 5 twice. Make sense? Sarah? So let's keep that in mind as a restriction. And then now, let's do the operation pretending they're all defined. Okay, that means we can do this now. Times by reciprocal x plus 5 x minus 3 divided by x minus 1.
Wait, that's times, right?
Right. Well, if you do multiplication, it flips upside down. So we can reduce that, and we can reduce this. So the whole thing simplifies to an x plus 1 over x minus 3. Okay. That's what it simplifies to, and the restrictions are 1, 3. Now look, you must always, the important point here is you must always find the restriction before you do any reducing. Okay, before you change anything. If you simplify and then you try to find the restriction, you got rid of all the restrictions already. Okay, so find the restrictions before you do any simplification.